Hello guys, so today I will be making this 7 segment display. You can use this in a clock or you can use this in any project which requires a 7 segment display. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have arranged all the LEDs. This line will be having 3 LEDs, this line 3 LEDs, this line 3 LEDs. So there are almost 7 segment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have to connect this 3 LEDs in one set and this 3 LEDs in one set. So we have 7 segment. That's why it is called 7 segment display. And here you can see I have put all the negative terminals in a common position, so it is a common negative display. So I will be connecting all the negative terminal together. So guys, here I have completed my connection. Here you can see it is a common cathode position. Why it is so? Because all the negative terminal are connected in parallel. See, all the negative connection, and the positive connection I have connected the 3 LEDs in a row. Here is one segment, here is another segment, here is another segment, and so and so. So let's connect and see how it looks. And the display part, how to code and how to make this display work, I will be showing in next video, so stay tuned.